Hi there, this is Laura with Mom Envy, and I'm here today to show you how to navigate the recipe book by Mom Envy. So this is going to be different than your big mega digital planner because this is only the recipe book. If you would like to use the big mega planner, you're going to want to watch my other video. But if you're here because you only want to learn how to navigate the recipe book, then you're in the right place. You have 3 different color options. For today, I'm going to be using the grayscale as my example. You're going to import this interactive PDF into a digital planning program. For my example today, I'm showing you on my computer because I just find that it is easier to be able to tell what it is that I'm clicking. So after your cover, you're going to come to your first open spread, which is going to have your kitchen conversions and tips. And then you're also going to have a page where you can write who the recipe book belongs to. If you don't need that, then you can go ahead and cover this up and put anything there that you would like. Maybe some pictures, maybe a really fun meme that you like. Whatever works for you, you can put there. You'll notice on the right-hand side, I have tabs that take me to all of my different recipe categories. Then on the left-hand side, I have a house, which takes me to my front cover. It closes my book. Then I also have an index. So that little icon here, the second one, takes me into my index. And again, this shows you I can go to my cover, my conversion chart, and my back cover. And then my recipe index. And then this little measuring cup here, if I click that, it takes me back to my conversion. So this just makes it really easy if you're using your planner to actually make a recipe and you're in the middle of a recipe and you need a conversion. You click that and it takes you right back to the main page. Now, the tabs on the right side are interlinked to my different sections. Within each category, you will have 50 hyperlinked recipes. And what that means is this number over here on the left isn't just there to look pretty. If I click the number 1, it takes me to my first recipe. If I click the number 2, it'll take me to my second recipe. This just organizes your recipes and makes them really, really easy to find. Now, you can use a search tool for a lot of the digital planning apps, and a lot of them will even read your handwriting. But I still find that this makes it really easy when I'm menu planning, because let's say, for example, I want to do a soup, and I'm like, gosh, I don't even know what soup to make. What recipes do I even have? So I click this, and I can see all of my different recipes that I have available to me, and maybe it'll remind me of a soup that our household loves, and we haven't made in a really long time. So all of my categories look the same for breakfast, for appetizers, and soups and salads. But when I get to main dishes, you're going to see it looks a little different. I have tucked all of the different types of main dishes underneath the large umbrella of main dishes because I found when I put these on the right-hand tabs, it became just too much and it was overwhelming. So what I've done is when you click main dishes, you have a recipe index to get to each section. So you have your chicken, your beef, your pork, your seafood, your vegetarian, your pasta, and your other main dishes. But you also have tabs at the bottom that have opened up that you can easily get to those main dish recipes. After that, you have your sauces, your sides, your breads, desserts, drinks, and then you get to our other section that's a little bit different, and that would be our holiday section. I've given you 8 different customizable sections. So you can put down whatever holiday you would like. In my digital stickers, I've given you some very basic common holidays, at least for the United States, and you can go ahead and paste those in, or you can handwrite it with your pen tool, or you can type in and put the category here. So let's say I want to do Thanksgiving, I would put Thanksgiving here, and then maybe Christmas, maybe I want to do Valentine's Day. But then these are hyperlinks. So if I click the number 1, it will take me to my recipe index for my first holiday. And you have 25 different recipes for each holiday. Down here at the bottom in my holiday section, I can also easily navigate to my different holidays through these little numbers by clicking. So if I know that Christmas is holiday 2, I click that and I can go here to holiday 2. I left you a line at the top so that you can either paste a sticker or again, write or type the name of the holiday at the top of that index. It makes it really easy to organize your recipes by holiday. So that way when you go to make your traditional Thanksgiving meal, you already have your recipes easily accessible. And then your last section is your other section, which looks like the other ones. Again, if I click my index, it'll take me to my index. And if I'm done, which I am, I can click my home and it'll take me back to my cover and close the book. If you have any other questions, just send me a message and I'd be happy to help.